Well, this is our absolute favorite time of the week. You know this man well. I'm here with Kenny Miner from Outdoor Home in Nixa. Kenny, what have you made?
Jalapeno popper sausage boats.
Oh my gosh, that sounds fabulous. Show us how it's done.
Let's do that. So we've got our bratwurst here. We made a little incision down the center. So what we're going to do is actually make a kind of form a boat inside. Just work a pocket in each one of these. All right, so once you've got pockets there, we're going to start with some cream cheese. All right, so next you're going to take your favorite barbecue seasoning. Just put a little bit of that over the cheese. Your favorite barbecue sauce. And then we're going to add some jalapeno peppers. And then take some shredded cheese. And then we have our bacon bits that we... All right, next we're set up for baking on the big green egg here. I've got it locked in at 350 degrees. We've got smoke. What I'm doing here, we're going to put a little bourbon barrel kiss of smoke on these bratwursts here. So this is actually, I put one of those in there. That's what we're seeing smoking. It's actually part of the barrel itself. A repurposed Buffalo Trace barrel. Midwest Barrel Company makes these bourbon barrel chunks. These are just awesome. You want to add just a little bit of smoke. It smells amazing. We're just going to take these and put them on the rack. It's been about 30 minutes. We're ready to pull these off. And that bourbon barrel smoke is just smells amazing. There you can see we've got our bratwurst. The cheese is all melted. I'm just going to pull these off and let them rest.
Well, I'm excited. This is the best part, the taste test. Kenny, should we take a bite?
We should.
Let's do it. Here we go. The moment of truth. Oh my word. That might be the best thing I've ever put in my mouth.
That's delicious.
That is a party. Well done.
Thank you.
I'll say it again. I'll say it every time. You're a master on the big green egg.
Thank you.
You better believe it. Listen, you can get this recipe at ky3.com, or for all your barbecue needs, you can go over to Outdoor Home in Nixa, where outdoor living is always in.